Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. This is Ahmad from Concept AI team, and today we're going to do a live demo for the application. And just to give a quick idea about the concept of the tool, it is called Concept because it is an early test for the project concept to check the feasibility of the project and give you a simple go or no go result for the quick assumption assessment. Yes, and first, this is our team and the concept quickly. First, it is an overview. What you give input about your project, your idea. So overview, scope, assumptions and risks, and then uh, you submit and you get the result. We'll look at that in a moment. Um, um, some of the key features here, it is phased intake, so you don't bulk all the input all at once. There are many templates, contextual templates, and also it is autofill. There's an autofill feature that AI will help us with. You just write the outline of your idea, and the AI will help you with it. And also, it uses multiple and comprehensive parameters. So let's go there and switching to the tool to keep it short. Yes, we open the browser and we put the link for the website and we start the analysis. Here we are at Concept AI, and we have an overview of the previous done projects as well. So let's start our project and start a new assessment. So start a new project, and here we put a quick idea. I put it quickly. Let's generate a draft. And of course, the AI engine will help us now autofill many fields coming, like project name. The example that I chose here is establish a new automatic car washing station in Riyadh with 3 lanes. This is a simple prompt or simple overall description. As you can see now, it is all filled. The project name, also, what industry? It shows for us the retail and e-commerce. It could be IT, telecom, any other industry. Location is, of course, Riyadh. Project description, there is a detailed description about what this project is, and also strategic objectives to be met. And reviewing these objectives, I can see that they are feasible and they are, they're matching and make sense. Achieve a throughput of 250 to 400 vehicles per day, for example. Okay. Also, business model. We're talking here about consumer product. What is the revenue model? By the way, what are the options? Yeah, it could be, by the way, we can choose, and we try to save your time by doing this by AI, but still you can choose if it was not understood or not the best choice, you can come here and choose which industry, which model. What is the revenue model? We're talking here about transactional, or is it tariff, or is it project or advertising? We're talking here about mixed. It could be transactional also, by the way. Founder team, we're talking about 5 to 10 years of experience in the industry. So it's better to have somebody who knows the industry inside out. But exactly, this is just an example. So this is the overview. If you know some of the competitors, we can put them right away. the link for the URL for the competitors. Now we move to the scope and resources. In the scope, we have first the budgetary, let's say, cost of a quarter a million to 1 million, and يعني it could be less, it could be more, but this was the let's say the estimation. Expected timeline 6 to 12 months. Team size, as you know, it is an automated service, but still we might need resources for doing multiple shifts. Key dependencies, it is, of course, this one is related to securing the place, the spot for the project to be done, the service, the car wash, and yeah, it could be challenging. So this is our scope in brief. Whenever you change anything, you can also come back and ask the AI to rewrite it again and again until you feel it is ideal. Assumptions and constraints, key assumptions, average ticket. I'm not reading everything, but as you can see, uh, average ticket from 40 to 70 per wash. People who live in Riyadh, they know it's like 35, something like that. So yeah, it makes sense. Known constraints, it is, يعني, first, the equipment is a large part of the project capex. And I'm just trying to take the keynotes. Critical success factors we're talking here about making transactions and making sure that the service is quick, 5 to 10 minutes per car. So this will be the differentiator of this service compared to the traditional ones. Yeah. So again, we move to what are the key risks. Non-risks, of course, a huge competition in Riyadh market. We know that. And that's to be taken into consideration with other risks are also highlighted, and we can also add more. Regulatory and compliance, of course, there should be a CR for the company and also many other stakeholders and government bodies, ZATCA, VAT, and everything related to the laws for this industry. And we reach here to technology readiness. Is it a new technology? Is it something that we are testing for the first time? No, it is a mature technology that it's proven. So by doing this, we are ready to submit. Let's run the analysis and see what comes of this case, this project as per the provided information. And we can see now the model in action. It is doing first, we're getting our queue and research of the market. It will generate a report. We will get the report on the screen like a dashboard, small dashboard, and we'll be able also to have it as a PDF to submit it somewhere and also as a PPT, a PowerPoint. So to present it to board or investors or whoever we are dealing with. Yes, it is taking time in the market research, making sure that to collect recent and relevant geographic and in the region data. Great. Great, we're done with the first part, and yeah, going to generate the report, yes, for the project. After that will be validation and saving our report, and the task will be completed right after. Just a minute. Again, if we compare the time consumed by doing such a research here on the tool with AI and gathering information, and everything is happening in minutes in the back end, compared to hours of meetings and interviews and done in the traditional way, usually it takes weeks to do that. So yes, I think the time here is very much reasonable. It's it is in progress. Yeah, we're step 4 of out of 4 and generating our report. We're doing well. Great. It is done. So let's go and see now our report. تمام. For this automatic car wash, there is an overall score, 7.1. It says here, proceed with caution. It is not a no, yeah, it says proceed, but with caution, yeah. So we need to take some considerations. It gives us what is the investment size, and also all the factors, the 13 months. So here we need to know why should we reconsider. Uh, so we're talking here about the OPEX that's going to be spent here, the market. We're talking here about the TAM. We need to understand this very well before we decide to proceed. And also research signals, talking here about some of the sources. It gives us the sources. So yes, here are the evaluation dimensions. Yes. The financial, the market, achievable, risk, timing, and operational as well. So these are our scores that all together will make the 7.1. Uh, Here it seems that in the risk factor we're not doing very well. While in achievability, yes, it is proven and achievable. In the financial section, the capex fits the budget, and yeah, it says, of course, because it was built on AI also decision. So and also for the market, how much the market and the growth and competition, achievability, operational, all the aspects are evaluated one by one. Conditional to proceed. Why this score? Yes. Refine assumptions and validate with the stakeholders. This is what it says. Why this score? Financial feasibility is okay, but uh, what lowered the score is the scenario of a break even being 2 years. Also, the prices of water and electricity in Riyadh. Yes, and many other factors. We can see how here also this from the financial perspective, and from the market perspective also, over 1,200 registered wash business. Okay, this is a large number. But anyway, as you can see, many aspects from each one. What are the positives? What are the pros and cons for each dimension? Technology, risk, market, and also operational feasibility. And finally, talking about the input equality, uh, it was filled fine. Evidence mix from the inputs from the web and the research and AI assumptions. This is the mix that we have. And of course, we can get this on PDF format. We can get it also on PowerPoint. So we export from here the report. Yes, we can have it, for example, on PDF. And a slides deck on PowerPoint. And we can share the link for this evaluation and with others to see as well. I hope that it was enough to give a grasp idea about the project. And thank you very much for staying with us. These are the contacts for the team. If you wish to have any more details. Thank you very much.